Bree has cracked her screen, and I bought a replacement screen that I'm going to attempt to change. Here's the screen. Fix it. And I bought a new case and a shield screen protector. Use these to pry around the edges. So you took off the edge. There you go. So this is where, that's how far I reach. We've got to pull screws. There's some little screws in here. That you have to pull out. Some tabs that you're gonna have to pull off. And then we'll see if we can change it. Change the screen. Okay. We got the glass off. We're gonna clean it up. The piece that was here, bring it on here. This needs to come off. That's from the old one. So we're trying to follow. Yep, we did that. Okay.